This is a recording. Okay, get lost, please. Thank you very much. This is a recording demonstrating Notebook LM, and I started by recording it with MSN Recorder Max. I'm putting it in the right corner of the screen, and the next thing that I'm doing, I'm going to paste the MSN Recorder Max into my notes, so I will incorporate it eventually in the file name. In addition, I'm pasting the file name of MSN Recorder Max into my notepad that is currently open in the center of the screen. In addition to that, so this is one screen recording device. In addition to that, I want to record it also with another software that is called Psar.exe, which is problem step recorder executable. And I'm starting a new recording. I'm clicking the new recording button to start the new recording. And now the new recording has been started with step recorder, and you can see it in the dialog at the top of my screen on the right side where it says step recorder recording now. In addition to that, so far all the recordings are done on the local host, which means my local PC with Windows 11. In addition to that, to secure it further, I want to record it also on Loom, which is a cloud recorder. So I'm going to select this new video, open the new video file, and click record a video. Can you repeat it, please? I selected recording. Created already Notebook LM with Google, and now I'm going to play it back and join. And I want you to Taminat to help me correct my English and repeat my speech so it is easier for the transcriber to transcribe it correctly. Yes, and I want and I'm 11 left. One of them is going to be on the cloud with Loom, which I have not started as of yet. Three. I've already started recording with MSN Recorder Max, which is a screen recorder that is on the local host, which means this local PC, Windows 11 device. And in addition to that, I'm running step recorder recording now. This dialog is displayed on the screen. No, I've already initiated two local recordings. Let's review it. Try to pay attention and understand. And then get lost when you want. And don't talk about it and don't mention anything that is irrelevant to this. Try to understand what have I done already. This is Sar.exe problem step recorder executable an app that comes pre-installed on Windows 11 and Windows 10, and it is already running. It records every keystroke and every screenshot in between keystrokes. Can you repeat it, please? To a file on this local laptop. That's right, it is a compressed file in a zip format. And now, in the next step, I'm going to enable for Loom.com to use the camera and the microphone to make a cloud recording. I'm not making it. Come here for a minute. No, no. I started it, and Loom popped up this dialog box where it asked me to use my camera and use my microphones, and I intend to click allow while visiting the site. While visiting the site, loom.com site, I allow loom.com. That's right. So Loom replies by displaying my image from the camera on this PC, which I'm going to enlarge. And I'm going to select start recording. And now Loom displays a dialog box that tells me that the default is the entire screen, which I click on it to approve it. And then I have an option to share, which I click share. And now it started working. Okay, but it doesn't give me the timer, and I don't know why. That may be a new version of Loom. Did you understand what I said? Repeat it, please. That's right. So this video is going to discuss the concept of a URL tell, a URL that spells a telephone number. Just repeat what I said, please. And tel stands for telephone. And this is when combining a vanity phone number, a vanity phone name with the telephone number itself, like you can see in my head strap or sweat strap on my head. 305 ontrial.biz is the phone number, the vanity phone name. 305 is the area code. Ontrial.biz is the domain name and the domain name extension. And they translate to the digits of the phone number. 305 again is the area code, 668 7425. So this is an example. In addition to that, we are going to discuss two new vanity phone numbers and future URLs. Do you hear me? These are USA, Man We Go, and USA, Man We IS.
USA.
Let's re- no, no. Let's repeat it in slow mo. The vanity phone number is a phone name that is made out of several words. And let's break it down slowly so you can retain it. We are going to speak now, demonstrate an example of two vanity phone numbers. Let's start with one. USA, just man, like money, we go, Go. And the second one, and the second one, USA, man, we, IS. Man, we, IS, which stands for Information Systems. Monitoring and money. Monitoring money together. And the abbreviation is MON, period. The short of monitoring, money. Two times the word, one is monitor and the second one is money. So the website is going to focus on security, particularly computer and information system security, and the money aspects of it being efficient, cost, revenues, everything that is related to that. Do you understand that? Right. So what is the vanity phone numbers? Go. That's right. Okay, with this in mind, I'm going to demonstrate in the next part using using the program that is called Notebook LM. Notebook LM stands for Notebook Language Model, a Google AI application that created a podcast describing With More Biz, which is another example of a vanity phone number and a domain name, and most importantly, a business theme. With More Biz describe a business theme of a wizard, like an AI wizard, that is providing a business with more business. And this is the description of Notebook LM. Wismore Biz X Strategy Securities Trading and Business Advice. And now I'm going to click on interactive mode beta and try to play back the podcast and add to it a third party comments. So I'm selecting interactive mode, which is in beta, click on it and allow microphone. Remember all microphones and allow. Now I'm going to click the play audio button.
All right, listener, get this. You ready? We are. Oh, hey there. What's up?
And then I select the join and see if the join will work. It said that it had a trouble connecting, so we try again. And now I'm going to select play audio again.
All right, listener, get this. You ready? We are diving into a true digital mystery today. Ooh, I love a good mystery. Hit me with it. Okay, so we got two pretty different pieces to work with. A super detailed reporting and a website or business called.
It hangs after the first sentence. I'm trying again for the third time, and it keeps hanging up.
All right, get this. You ready? We are diving into a true digital mystery today. Ooh, I love a good mystery. Hit me with it. Okay, so we got two pretty different pieces to work with. A super detailed computer activity log and a website for a business called Idioms. Right. On the surface, they seem totally but that's what we're going to find. All right, listener, get this you ready. We are digital mystery today. Oh, I love a good mystery. Hit me with it. Okay, so we've got two pretty different pieces to work with here. Lay 'em on me. A super detailed computer activity log and a website for a business called Bizmore Biz. Computer log and a business website. Sounds intriguing. Right. On the surface, they seem totally unrelated, but that's what we're here to find out. Love it. We're looking for those little hint connections. The hints.
So now I want to come to my notepad here and edit, paste the link. We'll save that. This is a text file. I'm going to edit it, copy it, and insert it after the audio file, audio URL, and we'll change that to .txt, tx for text. And now try to save that in the psar.exe subfolder also. Back to Notebook LM and see what else we can do here. Let's see if we can go back and try to just play it. I'm going to go back and continue with this. Just play it one time.
Pieces to work with here. Lay 'em on me. A super detailed computer activity log and a website for a business called Bizmore Biz. Business website. So WizMore Biz website. You got it. WizMore Biz, business consulting firm. Right, and what's the unusual stuff? Well, first the owner calls himself Wizard. Wiz. Not your typical consultant. Wizard, okay, I'm intrigued. What else? He's obsessed with vanity phone numbers. He uses them to spell out words. Vanity numbers, huh? I'm sensing a theme here. And get this, he offers free tutoring sessions on automated securities trading. Free tutoring? What's the catch? All very carefully crafted to create this image of, like, exclusivity